So kwa wale wajui, Ministry of Energy, ukienda kwa Ministry of Energy Twitter page ama X page, utapata a very interesting statement kama their bio. So kwa hiyo statement utapata imeandikwa dedicated to providing competitively priced, affordable and reliable services to all Kenyans. So those words to me, ukiangalia the Ministry of Energy for the last few months, are almost like an oxymoron. So why do I say so? But before niendelee, kama uko in the market for an electric car, unaweza reach out to us on WhatsApp ama Telegram on the number on your screen, na tunaweza kusaidia upate the car that best suits you. Ukiangalia sahi Kenya tuna already sahi shortages zimeanza ku happen all over the country. So it's very easy kupata a lot of videos, especially ukisearch oil shortages mostly on TikTok. Utapata like kuna videos like these ambazo zinaonyesha all the places kuna oil shortages in Kenya as per now. So when that was going on, you would imagine that the government will be doing everything in its power kujaribu ku mitigate price increase ama kujaribu kuongeza supply. But in real sense, our government actually is doing the complete opposite. So ukiangalia sahi, especially for the government sahi, kuna hii press release ambayo I don't feel enough people wanna talk about it. So kwa wale wamekuwa kifuata, kulikuwa na hii saga ili happen juzi ya they are very high ranking officials walikuwa wanajaribu kuimport mafuta outside the prescribed G2G government infrastructure ambayo imesetiwa between Kenya na the Gulf states. Lakini sasa ile kitu ilikuwa funny, especially now when the shortages are going on. Mtu yote anaweza taka kudownload a document, anaweza enda on my social medias ataipata hapo. So one of the most interesting things ambazo zimehappen ni the government wanajaribu kukab the importation of that extra oil that will actually be important for the sector sahi in terms of supply, kujaribu provide supply in the Kenyan market. So one of the things ambazo after wameshika hiyo consignment ya oil, one of the things ambazo wali prescribe ni, na ndawasomea word for word. So consequently, the government and the Ministry of Energy and Petroleum, and in addition to the measures already undertaken, has now directed that One Petroleum Limited, the company that imported the said product and invoiced oil marketing companies, immediately withdraw all invoices and issued and raises a credit note and raise credit notes. Number 2, oil marketing companies should neither pay the invoices nor uplift product from this consignment. Number 3, One Petroleum Limited is directed to exit this product out of Kenya as soon as possible. Number 4, Energy and Petroleum Regulation Authority is directed to subsequently exclude this product from the monthly computation of petroleum product cost. So in essence, Kenya wanajaribu kufanya all the oil ambayo ilikuwa imeimportiwa at that time, the government sahi inajaribu kuirudisha back to kuitoa out of the country. This is actually very stupid, considering that sahi already kuna all these oil shortages happen all over the country. So you can imagine if you are to imagine a situation whereby like already itseme uko queue una die of thirst, that mtu akwambie the only mtu akupatie maji, alafu mtu akwambie okay, hiyo maji huwezi chukua because of ati haija kubalishwa kuuzwa hiyo maji. I don't know if I'm explaining that statement correctly, hit venye inafaa kuwa sahi, especially sahi juu already hiyo oil supply ilikuwa imehit. This is not the time ya kuanza kujaribu do away with supply ambayo the market inahitaji. Hii ni one of the policies I think inafaa kuchangiwa. Wacha kukuwe na a little bit of competition, ndio when one player hana supply ama hawezi secure supply, another player anaweza come in ama anaweza step in to fill the gap. Anyway, that's my thoughts about your whole debacle ya energy sector. It was very badly handled. I think in future bana, na ndio the reason why sometimes it's good to have people ambao in these positions of power ambao wanajua how to handle some of these situations. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. Kama unaweza niambia what you think about the whole scenario. Asanteni.